1.6 mad shit to the car. Okay. See how a piece of shit is this? You see that shit? That's a piece of shit. But I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna take the engine out of this fucking piece of shit. Then put the new engine. You guys might ask me how. And I'm gonna tell you how. Number one, I'm gonna put a Lexus engine in here. I'm training for that. So I'm gonna call a couple of my buddies, but I need to do all that shit. I was doing this all day, all night. If you see, drinking my own. Dunkin' Donuts? Nobody's seen engine before, so we're gonna push that in. Take all this shit out. Okay. Take this out. Always have to take this shit out. That's just for the engine that runs the gas in, believe it or not. This is an old car. So, and I just wrapped it. Cocksucker, whatever. But I'm gonna do mad shit to this car. You know, you feel me? Mad shit. Okay, you see this? I'm gonna take all this shit out and put fucking Lexus engine in this bitch. I'm smart. I'm cool like that. But you guys have to like know this bit because I need to get to it. Thank you. And probably tomorrow I'm gonna put it in tomorrow, but I just need to take all the shit out. So that's what I'm gonna do, guys. You know? It's like no shit in here. So goodbye to this cheap shit. That's what my shit is all fucked up. But I'll let you guys go. And tomorrow I shoot an other video to show you guys how to put a Lexus engine in this bitch. You guys think it's complicated, it's really not. Alright, peace.